Okay, so basically you want to make a number balloon. I made a number 6 for Kinley's birthday using old hangers out my closet and balloons. It lasted a while, so yeah, here's the end result. Just showing you example. So you don't have to go out and buy anything expensive. You can use stuff around the house. If you're doing like a number 1 or something, use a straight pole like a broom. For the number 2, I used old hangers, a pool noodle, and a clothes rack, like the kind you keep in your laundry room just to hang spare clothes. I basically did the number 2. I formed it out with hangers and I stuck the hanger through the pool noodle. But to have like a steady base, I basically broke down the clothes rack, and then just taped it to the pool noodle. Right now, adding blowing up balloons, and I didn't use a machine or anything. I just blowed into them myself. I do 4 big breaths, and I just look at them to see if they're about the same size. I make a family of 4. I once I make the family of 4, I tie 2 together and tie 2 together, and then I tie 4 together, and then I toss them to the side. So you want to have 4 in each color. Once I get the families done, I start wrapping them around the number 2. All you have to do is wrap them to where they stay. You don't have to put anything on them, any sticky stuff or anything like that. Just wrap it around your number, and you keep going till your number is full. I just kept adding balloons, in the pattern that you want them added, and just all the way to your number is full. And here is the end result. I got one big pack of multicolor balloons. I think it had like 72 balloons in it from Walmart. I think it was almost $5. And that is all I used, and keep wrapping around until it is full. I'll go back and tuck the hanger in, and then I'll add balloons into the spaces, and there you have it, your number balloon.